her. But yeah, if you're interested into investing in real estate, investing into any business, right? I know real estate is more passive, right? I like the passive business. Um, I'm not interested, really, me myself. I'm not really interested in creating a job for myself. Does that make sense? Because some people, like I said earlier, entrepreneurs, they working 16 hours a day, but they working for themselves, but they don't have time to enjoy with their family, travel, do all that stuff because they busy working in their business. What we doing, we are working over and on the business, not necessarily in it. We work very little in it, right? But mostly over it and on it.